on Saturday, 2nd February, that former Director General of Police of Madhya Pradesh, Rishi Kumar Shukla, was appointed the Director of Central Bureau of Investigation, which stands to be the nation's premier investigation agency. And it is today that he formally took charge as a new CBI Director in the agency's headquarters at Delhi. His appointment was made a day after the second meeting of a high-powered committee comprising Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi and opposition leader Mallikarjun Kharge. But it took several calls and a lot of convincing from the Prime Minister along with the Chief Justice for protesting Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge to agree to R.K. Shukla's name as per the sources. Mr. Kharge, in his two-page dissent note to PM Modi, had expressed his objection, citing the officer's lack of experience in anti-corruption investigations. He said all three aspects, seniority, integrity, and investigative experience in the investigation of an anti-corruption cases should be given equal weight. Seniority cannot be the only criterion in appointment to such a critical post, and experience in anti-corruption cases and prior experience of having served in the organization should also be considered, the note said. His objection was, however, rejected because they felt that he was the senior-most officer with the highest grading as per the sources. Now, Shukla, who is 58 years of age, is a 1983 batch IPS officer from the Madhya Pradesh cadre, has taken charge at a time when the integrity of the country's one of the most premier agencies is seen to have been dragged following a melee between two of its top officers. He also replaces interim chief M. Nageshwara Rao. Rao was appointed as the interim chief of the CBI by the government last year since the CBI director Alok Verma was sent on forced leave. Although Rao's appointment was set aside by the Supreme Court earlier this month and Verma was reinstated, the selection committee in a meeting sacked Verma and appointed Rao as the interim chief. So, who is Rishi Kumar Shukla? Like I said earlier, Rishi Kumar Shukla was a Director General of Police of Madhya Pradesh and for around 2.5 years. He belongs to the city of Gwalior, and after his primary education, Shukla moved to Kolkata and completed his further studies there. He did his graduation in BCom and is also a postgraduate in philosophy. Now let's come to his stint as an upright officer. Shukla took over as a 28th Director General of Madhya Pradesh Police in July 2016 but went on leave in 2017 due to medical conditions. He was appointed as a chairman of the Madhya Pradesh Police Housing Board prior to taking charge as a DGP and took this role up again after returning from his medical leave in 2018. It is believed that Shukla was shunted out as a top cop of MP Police after the new Kamal Nath-led Congress government took over in December 2018. He's a staunch believer of low-profile policing but has always been persistent on being tough on issues that have anything to do with corruption. His zero tolerance for corruption has caused much tussle with his political bosses. Truth be told, he has many times found himself landing into catch-22 situations where he was facing threats from politicians pressing him hard to resign over certain clashes. Being the DGP, he had stark differences with the then BJP Home Minister Bhupendra Singh, and there have been numerous occasions when the Chief Minister had to get into the picture to put such situations to rest. What may raise eyebrows that he had once locked horns with the former Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan when the former was forced to register an FIR against a whole police station in Balaghat district on the complaint of an RSS worker. He was, as a matter of fact, known for making sure that investigations were done faster in rape cases during his tenure as a police chief in the state. This is said that had led to a substantial drop in the number of cases of rape. He was known to be doing phenomenally well when it came to making sure that the charge sheets in the criminal cases were filed soon so as to ensure that the trial is initiated quickly, therefore minimizing the delay in delivery. Now, let's come on to the cases handled by him. Shukla was Madhya Pradesh's top cop during the infamous Bhopal jail break encounter where 8 members of Students of Islamic Movement of India were shot and killed. As opposed to the then Home Minister Bhupendra Singh's view on the investigation, Shukla was of an opinion that the CID should investigate the encounters. Now let's go to his profile. Albeit he has not rendered his services in the Central Bureau of Investigation, he served in the Intelligence Bureau where he is known to have handled several sensitive members. What's more, he was instrumental in the extradition of the underworld Don Abu Salem in the year 2005, who was convicted in the Mumbai serial blast case of 1993, and his then girlfriend Monica Bedi was also convicted of the same. Having passed out from the National Police Academy, Shukla served in Raipur, Damoh, Shivpuri and Mandsaur districts in different capacities before taking charge as a DGP. He underwent training in the USA for crisis management and hostage negotiations besides another stint of training in London. Shukla was deputed to the Intelligence Bureau between the years 2000 and 2005. Incidentally, the last year of his tenure in the agency coincided with that of the then Director of Intelligence Bureau, Ajit Doval. Shukla was also posted as the Additional DG Intelligence in Madhya Pradesh Police from the year 2009 to 2012 and served as DG Home Guard 2013 to 2015. For more news updates, log on to www.sjwnews.in.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.